Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing nothing but stars. No Mars, no Jupiter, no Saturn's rings. Just us, Earth, sitting completely alone in the solar system, orbiting the sun with no planetary neighbors. Sounds lonely, right? But it's more than that. If Earth were the only planet of the universe, and life itself would be wildly different. Let's explore. Our solar system feels pretty normal to us. 8 planets, dozens of moons, countless asteroids, and one little Earth that happens to host life. But what if, instead of this cosmic family, Earth was the only planet orbiting the sun? No Venus, no Jupiter, no Neptune. Just one small blue world trying to make it on its own. First, space travel would get a lot more boring. Right now, we dream about colonizing Mars, mining asteroids, or exploring Titan. Without other planets, all we'd have is more Earth. That's like living in a city with only one restaurant. Sure, it's nice, but eventually you get tired of eating the same menu. But here's where it gets interesting. Other planets actually protect us. Jupiter, for example, acts like a giant cosmic vacuum cleaner. Its gravity pulls in comets and asteroids that might otherwise smash into Earth. Without Jupiter, Earth would be the bullseye for every space rock flying through the solar system. Imagine constant doomsday-level meteor showers. Bad for dinosaurs, bad for us. And without the gravitational tug of the other planets, Earth's orbit would also be less stable. Over millions of years, tiny wobbles caused by passing stars could knock Earth out of its safe, cozy orbit around the sun. One bad nudge, and we'd either freeze in the dark or fry too close to the sun. Now, let's think about life itself. Some scientists believe other planets, like early Venus or Mars, play a role in Earth becoming habitable. Material from these worlds might have crashed into early Earth, delivering water, organic molecules, or even the ingredients for life. No other planets? Then maybe Earth never got its oceans. Or worse, maybe life never appeared at all. And what about us humans? Our entire history has been shaped by the night sky. Ancient civilizations tracked Venus, Mars, and Jupiter to create calendars and guide navigation. Without those wandering stars, early astronomy would be almost impossible. No Mayan calendars. No Roman gods named after planets. No astrology apps on your phone to tell you why Mercury being in retrograde is ruining your week. Even modern science would suffer. Discovering other planets taught us about gravity, motion, and how solar systems work. Without them, Newton might never have had that aha moment about planetary orbits. Einstein might not have tested relativity by predicting Mercury's strange path. In other words, our knowledge of the universe could still be stuck in the dark ages. Here's the wildest part. Without the rest of the planets, Earth might not even exist. Planets form in messy, crowded disks of gas and dust around new stars. They collide, merge, and trade material until a few worlds, like ours, settle down. If Earth were truly alone, it probably means that the disk never formed other planets at all. And in that scenario, Earth might never have gathered enough material to become a full planet. At best, we'd be a lonely asteroid. At worst, we'd be nothing. So, if Earth were the only planet, we wouldn't just lose cool vacation spots in space. We'd lose cosmic protection, scientific progress, and maybe even a chance for life itself. The truth is, Earth isn't special because it's alone. It's special because it's part of a bigger, chaotic, interconnected system. So the next time you see Mars glowing red in the sky, or Saturn shining through a telescope, remember, those neighbors might be the reason we exist at all. If you enjoyed this little trip through What If Science, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite planet, and subscribe for more mind-bending questions. Because the universe is always weirder than it looks.